everything is complete. But now it is an alignment that needs to be done. As alignment as well. Nabani said, "Kuba no mama go." Go says, "Kuba no mama." Sabbath going in this sitting on that. But when the car is out of alignment, this steering circle is a saw, but you're the saw and over. Because once you are not in alignment, once your spirit is not in alignment with your soul and with your body, as Paul is saying. So what that means is that the secret is in you empowering your spirit man through prayer, through fasting, through seeking his face, through reading his word, so that you can have the upper hand against your flesh. Eve saw the fruit and it was appetizing. And there were three aspects that were affected there. He saw it with the eye, while luster with the eye is connected to the mind. And then the body had a desire for the fruit. And then ultimately, so Eve was shy by seeing, then the mind processed. But because now there are no files which were infused in her mind, was the carnality, then she fell into sin. But when Jesus was attacked also by Satan, he now was in order to defeat, because Satan at times is a twister face. Question and but suddenly is this a sin to do this? We ask what is the soul, but must appease by comforting himself to ask if it's a sin. Because when you are backsliding, you find out some soul, and the challenge with ukwehla ukuthi kulula ukwehla kodwa kunzima unyuka. It's easy to have, you see, when you have grasped a solid spiritual position, you take years to build that, you take years to fast that, you take years soaking yourself in his presence. But ukudropa emoyeni, it takes a very short time. And kunzima ubuyela kwindawo yakho masowuhlile. Now, ndifuna siyibone ke lento ukuthi human beings naturally you are not who you think you are. When you are the spirit, you have the soul, you live in the body. Don't know the weaknesses, don't honor those findings, negatives out of the will of God. That's not the real you. That is just your house, that is just the body that you are covered in, which needs you now to put it under subjection. I know we always say, we go to verse 80, we will dominate the earth. We will start in Judea, Samaria, and to the ends of the earth. We speak about dominance. But in actual fact, I usually say, the first earth that you ought to dominate is your flesh. The first authority that you must make is the authority in your body, so that it can obey the commands of the Lord.